Okay, Aunt Becky, can you tell me what we're doing right now?
Experimenting.
Exactly. We are
the future Iron Chefs of America.
Oh, that doesn't look so. Oh God. Okay. We're also making donuts out of crescent rolls. Let's see.
And we have sprinkles.
Oh
crap. I think it's an old stove. I don't want to clean it.
And then here's our oil. It is almost at donut. You can't see that, but that's okay. Donut is right. My fingers are red because I dyed Jared and I's hair
with Kool-Aid.
With Kool-Aid, and I had red hands. I look like a murderer because I did both of us. Okay, so we're gonna go back to the oil now. It's looking pretty good. And we're gonna try out that wooden spoon thing again, maybe?
In about 2 seconds.
Okay.
What do you have to do? Hold it down? And face it to yourself. The next food.
Hello.
What?
I don't even know.
Food Network star. It's gonna have her own cooking show.
With our already prepared dough. It's hot already. Okay.
Alright,
so that's just gonna sit there for a while.
Until it cools down. Once I handle it, I can take a paper towel, get the burnt stuff off.
See, we're not wasting our time watching the Food Network.
No. We have lots to do.
Okay. So we're gonna...
Oh, it's time.
Watch this.
Rachel Ray taught me this.
Ooh!
It's right.
Okay. It's
holy shit.
Okay.
Oh, no fire here. Where's the fire?
Okay, so how do we put them in?
Drop them.
Oh, it's gonna like bubble.
I know. Always drop the food away from you if you're frying.
Okay. I don't know how that's gonna work out.
Neither do I. You know what?
Jesus Christ, I'm scared. Do we have a fork or something?
I don't know. Maybe we have something metal?
This is our
we need like a metal spatula so we can just like dip it in.
Woo!
And stand back.
Okay, let's do this.
Oh, it's too high. Holy shit. Alright, this is going to be done in like 2 seconds.
Yeah, definitely. Okay, it's really sticky. Oh my God.
Hold on.
Oh, it's so cool! We're making donuts. That is so freaking awesome.
It's already frying.
I think that one's already done.
I know. Tell me about it. Holy crap. Maybe it's too high.
It's okay.
Alright.
That's so cool.
Holy crap. Alright. Hold on. Hold the phone. Holy shit.
Good thing I set out that paper towel first.
I know, right?
Are you sure they're done on the inside?
I don't know. Did you ever see a black donut?
I know.
In our house. In our kitchen you do.
With our Rachel Ray stove.
That's it. Exactly.
Yeah.
Alright, if not, we can always microwave.
I just want you to know that they look really light on camera, but they're really dark. Like scary. It doesn't look lighter on camera.
Yeah, it does.
Okay, can I put the balls in?
Yeah, go ahead.
Okay.
Oh, it smells like donuts. Alright, you have to do this though when it's hot.
Okay.
If you're gonna put it like the cinnamon sugar.
Oh, okay, so we're gonna put the toppings on now. We're gonna roll the things.
Either 1 or 2. Alright, here's one. Alright, that's one that's done.
Okay.
Do you want another one done on that?
Maybe we'll put confectionery sugar on the other ones.
On the other ones? Alright, do one more of these for Jared. Alright.
I'm gonna put these in.
Proceed with caution.
Oh, definitely. Okay, we're gonna set that. Oh God, I'm gonna die. What? Gonna happen? There it goes. Let's get the other one now. This is difficult.
You know what? I'm gonna kick your ass if you don't.
Why?
If you don't taste one.
No, I don't want one.
I don't give a crap. You have taken the thank you bite.
Ugh.
It's not fair.
Cap, okay.
Oh crap.
Oh my, they're already finished. I'm like, I can't do 2 things at once. Okay, we're gonna get back to you later then. Audio.